So, for today's video, we are going to be solving a LinkedIn SQL interview question on data lemur. If you aren't familiar with SQL or you have a hard time remembering SQL syntax, I've put together a completely free SQL cheat sheet, and it's linked in the description below. So, on to the video. Alright, so let's start by reading the question. Given a table of candidates and their skills, you're tasked with finding the candidates best suited for an open data science job. You want to find candidates who are proficient in Python, Tableau, and Postgres. Write a query to list the candidates who possess all the required skills for the job. Sort the output by candidate ID in ascending order. Assumption: there are no duplicates in the candidates table. Alright, so this is what the candidates table looks like over here. So we'll just start by filtering. First thing we always do is to filter for what we need. So we'll start with a filter where skill in Python, Tableau, or QL. Okay, so everything looks good. Let's see. All right, so the filter seems to be successful. Now the next step is candidate ID, and then we're going to do a count. So that's count skill, and then we're just going to group by candidate ID. Okay, so let's see what that gives us. It should give us a count. Does not exist candidate. Yes. So I think there's a problem here. Post SQL. Alright, so that should give us what we need. So the next thing we can do is we can filter for a count of 3 in the having clause, and how we'll do that is like so. Having count skill greater or equal to, rather, I think equal to will be better for now. Can always change it later. So that gives us one lone candidate ID. Let's check if it's correct. All right, accepted. So this is how to go about solving the question, rather. It's not too complex, as you can see, though it is a little verbose. So yeah, that will be all for this question. See you next time.